Hello students, welcome to Babbar's Academy. This video is the continuation of atoms and molecules. Please subscribe my channel so that you can see all the videos regarding this atoms and molecules topic. Today I am going to tell you about how to write a chemical formula. In the last video, I told you about the ions, that there are two types of ions, that is cation and anion. Cations are with positive charge and anion are with negative charge. Now we will make the formulas. First we take the case of, let's say, hydrogen chloride. As the name indicates, it is made up of hydrogen and chlorine. We can say hydrogen and you can write chloride. Hydrogen is, here is the list. I have written some cations and anions. You can write the valency from here, and I can tell you what is the valency. Because for writing a chemical formula we need two things. The chemical formula can be written with the help of only two things. The first is the symbol. As you can take the example of hydrogen is H you can take, and the second is combining capacity of the element, that is called valency. How many atoms can combine with the other? This is called the combining capacity. I can teach you with the help of examples so that it will be clear. These examples will be clear for you. An octopus, we can take O, is having 8 arms, and a man is having 2 arms. If an octopus is there, he can hold 4 men because it has 8 arms. So, 1 octopus and 4 humans, you can write it as 4 humans can be held by 1 octopus. 4 humans can be held by 1 octopus. So, the formula will be OH4. Now, it will be clear for you. Now, if we are taking the example of hydrogen chloride, hydrogen symbol is, first we have to write the symbol. Its symbol is H and chloride symbol is Cl. What is its valency? These are the valencies H1, C4 plus, these are all plus. Magnesium 2 plus, ammonium 1 plus, aluminium 3 plus, sodium 1 plus, calcium 2 plus, and in the same way the anion chloride 1 minus, sulfur 2 minus, that means sulfide, oxygen 2, sulfate and nitrate. These are the common cations and anions which make chemical formulas. So we will write valency here. You can check the list. And chloride is here. If we see, this is 1 and this is plus 1, this is minus 1. That means the valencies are equal. So 1 hydrogen and 1 chloride will combine to form one atom of this and 1 atom of this. It will form HCl. Or you can say, the other way you can write HCl minus. If you cross the valencies, its valency, this you write here, this will be written here, and its valency comes to this side, and its valency, this valency come to this side. It is 1 and this is also 1. 1 is not written, so the formula will be HCl is the same. Both are same. You can apply any rule, any method you can take. Next example we will take example number 2. We can take the case of hydrogen sulfide. Again, hydrogen and sulfide. Hydrogen is H, sulfide S. First step is writing the symbol, and the second step is writing the valency. What is valency of H? 1 plus, and sulfide is 2 minus. Now write here 1 and 2. Now here it is plus 1 and here 2 minus. That means to equalize the valencies, first method that I told you, you can write like this. Write H below and S below here, and write the valencies. This valency comes to this side and this valency comes to this side. The formula becomes H2S, that is hydrogen sulfide. The other way is hydrogen and sulfide. H is plus and this is minus. You will see that these sulfide are 2. To make it equal, we have to write 1 hydrogen here. Now 1 plus 1 2 and there are 2. So H2 and S is 1 because this 1 2. These are 2 and S is only 1. So formula is H2S. Next example is carbon tetrachloride. You can take. Carbon tetrachloride. There is no special symbol for tetrachloride. Tetra means 4 as the name indicates. So we will take chloride, carbon and chloride. Carbon is C and chloride is Cl. Omit this one. Carbon is C and chloride is Cl. Then again see the list. Carbon is not written here. This carbon is 4 plus and chloride is 1 minus. It will 4 plus and chloride 1 minus. Again, now carbon is 4. So chloride is 1. We will take chlorine, chlorine, chlorine. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. So formula is C1 and CCl4. Because 1 carbon combines with 4 chloride, so the name is carbon tetra, because tetra is used for 4. This is the formula of carbon tetrachloride. Next example is we can take ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. Again ammonium and sulfate. Ammonium is NH4 plus 1 and sulfate is SO4. You can check the list. sulfate is 2 minus. So write here 2 minus. Ammonium plus 1 and sulfate 1 minus. Again, the valencies are same. So 1 plus and 1 minus is cancelled. The formula will be, and you can write like this also, ammonium right here, this is, and sulfate here, valency is crossed, sulfate valency is 1, and ammonium valency is also 1. So 1 is cancelled and the formula will be ammonium, this is minus, I written wrong, this is minus 2. So this will be NH2 and so we will write in this way SO4, because if we will write NH4 to SO4 there will be confusion, so it should be written in the bracket form. Or the other way, other method you can apply, you can write NH4 SO4, this is minus, and you will write these are 2, so write here one more ammonium, so again NH4 bracket 2 and SO4. That's all. In the same way you can take more examples and do practice, and you can do more with the example I can write for you for your practice. This is calcium oxide, simple one, and the other example you can take aluminium oxide, these are with the oxide, and you can take sodium nitrate, practice yourself for these examples. If you have any problem for these, you can write in the comment box and I'll solve for you. If you like the video, comment and share it. Thank you.